So, you've got a great car that doesn't look so great right now. With Refreshed Car Care, you can book over the phone or online. Our van comes to you. Our trained professionals will give your car the deep clean it deserves to look its best, making sure we cover every nook and cranny. Our exterior steam wash provides a deep clean while saving water. An interior steam wash and dashboard detail will revive the parts of your car that get used every day and often look tired and old. We finish with a thorough vacuum of the interior and upholstery cleaning, even making sure to sanitize your AC ducts, leaving your car smelling great. With the pros from Refreshed Car Care on the job, your car will look better than ever, which will make you feel better than ever. We cover every detail. The job is finished with the precise wheel and tire detailing treatment, and an exterior shine wax polish to protect the newly clean surface of your car. Once it passes final inspections, it's all yours again. Go clean, feel awesome. Refreshed Car Care.